Are you looking for a hassle-free way to handle waste management for your next big project? Look no further. Delaware Dumpster Rentals is your local solution for all your waste disposal needs, offering a reliable and affordable dumpster rental in Middletown, Delaware. Whether you're renovating your home, managing a construction site, or organizing a large event, we have the perfect size dumpster for your project. Our hassle-free rental process ensures you get what you need when needed. Let us know what you're throwing away, and we'll recommend the ideal size. Plus, we pride ourselves on transparent pricing and prompt delivery. At Delaware Dumpster Rentals, we pride ourselves on our commitment to customer satisfaction and environmental responsibility. We ensure your waste is disposed of in the most eco-friendly manner possible. Don't let waste management stress you out. Trust the experts at Delaware Dumpster Rentals for all your dumpster rental needs in Middletown, Delaware. Visit our website at www.delawaredumpsterrentals.com Dumpster Rental Middletown DE to view our selection and find the perfect fit for your needs. Our easy online booking system ensures a hassle-free experience from start to finish. If you prefer, call us at 302-463-9000. Our friendly team is ready to help you choose the right dumpster for your project and answer any questions. At Delaware Dumpster Rentals, we make waste removal easy and eco-friendly. Contact us today. Let's keep Middletown clean and green together.